Hello everyone. So today's video is going to be a video about my taxes. So I did receive my federal taxes back, and I just want to tell you guys what I did with my federal taxes for this year. All right, so before I get started, I wanted to update you guys on this here. This is kind of a mini savings challenge that I have put together for myself, and it's my coin savings jar is what I call it. So my goal for December 31st is to save $500. So far I have made 6 deposits into my jar, and I need to update this part with my coin, with my stickers. But I have wrote my deposits out here. I made a $7.05 deposit, $20, $5.40 deposit, $20 again, $20 and $20. So I have a grand total of $92.45 in my jar, and I am on track for meeting my goal by December 31st. So I just wanted to share with you guys that, and I want to let you know that I am doing another savings challenge, and you can go back to some of my previous videos and see where I am saving X amount of money per week. And since I get paid every 2 weeks, I pick 2 different boxes and I save that in my savings account. And so I'm trying to save an additional $1,000 by the end of the year as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into what I did with my income tax. So I received my income tax on February the 27th, and it was my federal income tax. I'm still waiting on my state income tax, so I'll come back and do another video on that. But my federal income tax, I received $5,397.20, and I wanted to make sure that I utilized the money and did not just spend it. I wanted to give every dollar a name, basically. So what I did was I had $400 in my emergency fund, so I wanted to fully fund my emergency fund with $1,000. And if you follow Dave Ramsey's baby steps, he recommends that you have $500 to $1,000 in your starter emergency fund. So in my starter emergency fund, I put $700. I had 4 credit cards that I wanted to pay off because I am starting to pay off debt. And I will soon do a video on my debt-free journey of a single mom on a low income. So I had 4 credit cards that I wanted to pay off, 2 Capital One cards and 2 Credit One cards. Each card was pretty much maxed out at $500. So I paid each card $500. So that was a total of $2,000 that I paid towards credit cards. I put back in my sinking funds. Now, I did fund a couple of sinking funds with my taxes. One of the sinking funds that I funded was summer camp / summer school for my daughter. I'm not sure if she's going to have to attend summer school this summer or if she'll be going to summer camp, but I did put $300 back towards that. Car tires, I placed $275 in my sinking funds for car tires. I currently need 2 front tires, so that should take care of that. Ashton fund, I have a fund for my daughters and for her clothes, so I put $100 in her sinking fund. And then I have another Ashton fund, and that's for activities. In that sinking fund, I put $200. Then I have another sinking fund called Ashton Babysit sinking fund, and I put $50 in that, and that's for whenever I need to have a babysitter for her. Sometimes that busts the budget when I have unexpected things come up or things that I forget, or like when she's out of school and I'm not off work and I need to have a babysitter for her. I'll have the funds in place to pay the babysitter. Okay, so then I gave my mom $100. Car maintenance, I placed $100 in my car maintenance sinking fund. And so I just need to write SF there for sinking fund. And I put SF here for sinking fund as well. Okay, then I have a household sinking fund that I placed $20 in. And then my savings coin jar, I placed $20 in. And then I'm going to move this up a little bit. I recently found out that I am going to have about $6,000 worth of dental work done. So, my insurance is going to pay for about $3,000 of it. And I have to pay for the other $3,000 before they can even get started. One of the options was for me to give them basically $1,400 for them to get started. And I have to have this done because I'm having some pain in my mouth. So I took out $1,400 from that's going to go towards dental funds. It's going to go towards me getting things fixed in my mouth, which I had originally not budgeted for this. I originally was going to take the $1,400 and pay it on my student loans, but because this has come up, I have to take care of this first. Okay, so then I did not have money I really didn't do a lot or buy a lot with my taxes. I pretty much put it all towards debts and sinking funds. So I had about $132.20 left, and I used that for fun money. So I basically used that. We went out to eat. I bought some miscellaneous items for the house. So that's what I did with that money. So yeah, I basically utilized I feel like I did good with my taxes this year. I utilized it to fund sinking funds and basically pay off debts. So next year, once I get my refund back next year, I will definitely throw that money towards student loans and towards savings. Okay, so yeah. Thanks for tuning in to my videos, guys. Thank you for supporting my channel. And if you have not joined the gang over here, don't forget to subscribe and go back and look at some of my other videos. And I hope that you guys will continue to be blessed. Talk to you later.